Gusto mo na bang mag-work from home pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Well, let me break it down for you step by step. Step 1, decide kung ano yung service na i-offer mo. Piliin mo kung anong ang kaya mong gawin. You can choose between administrative, creative, tech support, or sales. Huwag mo munang isipin lahat like niche, specialization, industry, and all that. Pili ka lang muna ng isa. Next, build your skills. Aralin mo YouTube, free trainings, join classes, lahat ng skills na tututunan yan, hindi lang magic. Somebody asked me, hindi po kasi ako techie, pwede ba ako maging virtual assistant? And I said, you know what, sa totoo lang, yung pagiging techie, it comes with training. Pero, ang kailangan dito, number 1, common sense. Number 2, sipag. Kung meron ka nung dalawa, walang imposible. Ang next step mo would be, of course, ihanda ang gamit mo. Fix your tools, laptop, stable internet, Google Workspace, yan. Yan yung mga basic toolkit ng mga virtual assistants. Next is, create your profile. Gumawa ka ng mga online profile. Think of it as your resume, pero digital. Go to platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, online jobs, kahit Facebook groups. Yes, even your social media accounts could be part of your portfolio. After that, apply and show up. Huwag kang matakot. Kasi kahit naman yung mga walang experience, marami pa rin ang naha-hire because clients are looking for effort and consistency. Remember, the very first step is always the hardest. Pero once na matutunan mo na, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Now, I have good news for you. Kung ready ka na, bakit hindi ka na lang sumama sa team namin for October GVA training para mas guided ang journey mo? Ito yung first out of 9 drop ng 99 day 9 birthday bash pasabog. Hindi ko alam ano sabihin. Ladies and gentlemen, you can join our October General Virtual Assistance Training for only 99 pesos. Yes, 99. 99. Wala po tayong hidden charges. Ewan ko ba kung bakit may nagtatanong pa nun. And girl, mas mura pa to kaysa sa milk tea mo ha. So ano nga ba makukuha mo dito? Well, step-by-step lessons live on how to become a virtual assistant, tools that clients actually look for, and guidance para mas maging client ready ka na. Ladies and gentlemen, this deal is only open until 12 midnight today. After that, back to regular pricing na siya. So, if you have been waiting to start your freelancing journey, this is your sign. Kung nakikita mo tong video na to sa Facebook, mag-comment ka lang ng hashtag GVA99. At kung hindi ka pa naka-follow, bakit naman? Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you sa classroom.